Given that x squared y squared minus 3xy plus 4xy cubed equal to 4, find dy dx by implicit differentiation. Solution. We're going to use the product rule and then make dy dx the subject. So we're going to differentiate the first and write down the second. So we have differentiating x squared, we have 2x dot y squared plus, we write down the first x squared dot differentiating the second, which is y squared, becomes 2y dy dx minus, we bring out the 3 and then we differentiate the first x, which is 1, dot write down the second y plus write down the first x dot differentiating y, we have dy dx, then the same thing plus we bring out the 4 and then write this by differentiating, it becomes 1 dot y cube plus write down the x and differentiate y cube, becomes 3y squared dy dx, we close the bracket, equal to, now 4 is a constant and by differentiating this becomes 0. Now we are going to expand the bracket, we have 2x y squared plus this becomes 2x square y dy dx minus this, multiply everything in the bracket, we have 3y minus 3x dy dx. Then the same thing here, we are also going to expand the bracket, plus this will expand the bracket, we have 4y cubed plus 4 times 3 is 12, so we have 12xy squared, 12xy squared dy dx equal to 0. The next thing is to collect the like terms in dy dx and make dy dx the subject. So we're going to have this 2x square y dy dx, then this minus 3x dy dx plus 12x y squared dy dx equal to, now the rest we are going to move them to the right hand side of the equation. So we have this, we have 3y and then this becomes minus 2x y squared, and then we also have this minus